Hey there, folks. Welcome to a world of endless learning opportunities. Let's talk about Udemy, a platform where anyone with knowledge and passion can share it with the world. It's a place where your expertise can reach millions. Imagine a giant online library bursting with courses on everything from coding to cooking, photography to philosophy. That's Udemy. It's like having a world-class education at your fingertips. Millions of students worldwide flock to Udemy to learn new skills, explore their interests, or enhance their careers. It's a global classroom where everyone is welcome. It's a place where experts and educators connect directly with eager learners. The interaction is personal and impactful. No fancy degrees or certifications required, just a willingness to share your expertise. Your passion and knowledge are what truly matter. Udemy's beauty lies in its accessibility. You can learn or teach from anywhere at any time using any device. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a recent grad with valuable skills, Udemy welcomes you. It's a platform for everyone. It's a level playing field where your knowledge is your currency. Your insights and experiences are what make you valuable. You create courses, set your price, and watch as students from every corner of the globe enroll. It's a rewarding experience. But Udemy isn't just about sharing knowledge. It's about building a community of learners and educators supporting each other. As an instructor, you interact with students, answer questions, and foster a supportive learning environment. Your role is crucial in their learning journey. So, are you ready to unleash your inner teacher and embark on this exciting journey? The world is waiting for your knowledge. Let's dive into the nuts and bolts of making Udemy work for you. Get ready to transform lives, including your own. Now let's break down how Udemy works. Think of it as setting up shop in a bustling digital marketplace, teeming with potential customers. You're the shopkeeper, your course is the product, and students are your eager customers ready to learn. First things first, you create a course on a topic you know inside and out, something you're passionate about. This involves crafting engaging video lectures, developing supplementary materials like quizzes and assignments, and packaging it all into a comprehensive learning experience that students will find valuable. Once your course is polished and ready for prime time, you decide how much you want to charge, considering the value you're offering. Udemy offers flexibility here, with options for free and paid courses, promotional discounts, and even bundling options to attract more students. Now comes the fun part: marketing your masterpiece to the world. Udemy provides a platform to showcase your course, but you'll need to attract students through effective marketing strategies. This involves optimizing your course title and description, creating eye-catching thumbnails, and perhaps even running ads to reach a wider audience. As students enroll, you get to work your magic as an instructor, guiding them through the learning process. Respond to questions, provide feedback on assignments, and keep your virtual classroom buzzing with activity to ensure a great learning experience. The more engaged your students are, the more valuable your course becomes, leading to better reviews and more enrollments. Choosing the right topic is crucial. While passion is important, marketability matters too. Research trending topics within your niche. What are people eager to learn? Look for gaps you can fill with your unique expertise. Next comes planning your course content. Structure is key. Break down your topic into digestible modules, each focusing on a specific aspect. Think of it like building a house. A strong foundation and well-defined rooms are essential. Now, it's showtime. High-quality video lectures are the heart of your course. Invest in decent recording equipment. Clear audio and visuals are non-negotiable. Be enthusiastic, engaging, and speak directly to your audience as if you're in the same room. Don't neglect supplementary materials. Quizzes, assignments, and downloadable resources enhance the learning experience. Think about what would benefit your students and provide value beyond the video lectures. Section 4 Tips and Tricks. Maximize your Udemy earnings. Creating a great course is just the beginning. To truly succeed on Udemy, you need to become a marketing maven and student engagement guru. First, treat your students like gold. Respond promptly to questions, provide thoughtful feedback, and foster a sense of community within your course. Happy students are more likely to leave positive reviews, which attract new learners. Don't rest on your laurels. Continuously improve your course based on student feedback and keep your content fresh. Add new modules, update outdated information, and stay ahead of the curve in your field. Udemy offers a suite of promotional tools. Take advantage of discounts, bundles, and marketing campaigns to reach a wider audience. Collaborate with other instructors, cross-promote your courses, and tap into existing communities. Remember, Building a successful Udemy business takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and passionate about sharing your knowledge. The rewards, both financial and personal, are well worth the journey. Section 5. Udemy Millionaires, Real Stories, Real Inspiration. Feeling inspired yet? If not, you will be soon. Let's meet some folks who've hit it big on Udemy, proving that with hard work, dedication, and a bit of creativity, anything is possible. Take Percival, a former teacher who transformed his passion for coding into a multi-million-dollar Udemy empire. His journey is nothing short of remarkable. His engaging teaching style and comprehensive courses have attracted over 1 million students worldwide, making him a household name in online education. Then there's Forleo, a life coach and entrepreneur who leveraged Udemy to build a global brand. Her story is equally inspiring. Her courses on entrepreneurship, marketing, and personal development have empowered countless individuals to pursue their dreams and achieve their goals. These are just a few examples of the many success stories born on Udemy. The platform is filled with such inspiring tales. From stay-at-home moms to seasoned professionals, people from all walks of life are turning their knowledge into income and impacting lives in the process. The diversity of success stories is truly astounding. Their stories are a testament to the power of online education and the transformative potential of sharing what you know with the world. It's a revolution in learning and teaching. So what's stopping you from joining their ranks? The next success story could be yours. Section 6. The future is yours. Start your Udemy adventure today. Udemy presents an incredible opportunity to earn money, share your expertise, and make a real difference in the world. It's a chance to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind, set your own hours, and be your own boss. But more than just the financial rewards, teaching on Udemy is about igniting passions, empowering individuals, and contributing to a global community of lifelong learners. It's about leaving your mark on the world, one student at a time. So take that first step. Choose a topic you're passionate about, dust off your webcam, and start creating. You have a story to tell, knowledge to share, and a world of eager students waiting to learn from you. Udemy provides the platform, the tools, and the support. The rest is up to you. Go out there, make it happen, and become the next Udemy success story.